Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time to be on this channel, I just want to welcome you also. I know that I've been away, guys, for some time, but hey, I'm back right now, and I promise you, from now on, guys, you're gonna see more content actually on how we make money, or sharing more ideas on how we make money on this channel. So today I'm going to share with you something, guys, which is very interesting, which I've seen a lot of people, I'm seeing a lot of people, guys, making a lot of money in 2024 using this business model, or this side hustle, or this idea that I'm about to share with you. I know it might not be a new idea to some of you guys. You've heard about it before, but you find that some of you guys, you never took any action. Some of you guys, it might be the first time for you to hear about it, but I'm gonna explain it, what is it and how it works, and how you can get started, for you to be able to get started when you finish this video. But before we can dive in and give you more details about this idea, guys, please subscribe and please like this video, like the video, and then you leave the comment. So guys, let's just dive into it. So what I'm talking about, guys, is print on demand. I know some of you guys, it's not your first time to hear about it, and it's okay, but you find that you never took an action. You heard about it, but you never took an action, meaning that there's no difference between someone who's hearing it today and you who heard it before, but you never took any action. So I want to challenge you today, go and take an action. So for those of you guys who who hear this print on demand concept for the first time, let me explain it to you guys on how it works. So print on demand, guys, it's where you it's a business model, actually business model, where you custom design the product. This product can be the coffee mugs, can be the phone cases, it can be the t-shirts, it can be the hoodies. So it's just a lot of products that you can custom design. So what you do, or what happens, is that the customer actually places the order on your store. I'm going to explain how do you get the store and everything. The customer places the order on your store, and then after placing the order on your store, the order goes straight to the supplier, the third party, which is the supplier, and then the supplier will print the product. After printing the product, will package the product. After packaging the product, will ship the product to the customer, meaning that you don't have to be worried about the inventory, you don't have to be worried about shipping. What you need to do is you just need to create your own design, and then put down, or maybe customize the product with your design, and then that's it. And then from there, when the customer buys, you don't have, you're not involved at all. You only did your design, and that was it. And what you will do, will just get paid as the customers get to buy your product. So let me give you the steps on how this works, so that you can get started immediately after this video. The first thing, or the first step, that you have to do when you do this print on demand business, is choosing the right niche. Actually, this is the key success, guys, in this business model. Choosing the right niche, guys, is very important. So start by making the research on the trends, and then even researching about the target audience. Know your target audience. Check, research about the trends. You can use TikTok. Things like TikTok, actually, they can help you to understand the trends. And then from there, after choosing the niche and then researching about the target audience, now you can come up with the product that will resonate more with your target audience. That's the first step that you need to do. The second step, guys, is to find the reliable print on demand platform. So there are a lot of platforms actually that you can use out there. Platforms such as Printify, Printful, and what you call this one, Redbubble. Actually, Redbubble is the one that I'm using right now, is the one that I've listed my designs with Redbubble. So you can choose which one actually can work for you. You can make a research with about them, and then start to upload your designs, and then start to sell on those platforms. And the third, guys, the third step is to create your design. So creating your design, guys, you don't have to be a graphic designer. You don't have to be a professional designer. Let me put it like that. So anyone, I'm not a professional designer, but I had to use Canva for me to create my designs and then upload them on Redbubble. So even you, it's the same thing that you can do to use. We have, like, there are a lot of tools actually available out there that you can use that can help you to make your design. And guys, the nice part about now, maybe these days, it's because there is an AI, ChatGPT, guys. It works very well to create your design. So that's another tool that you can take an advantage of to create your design and then upload them on the platform that you'll be using, or maybe the platform that you will have partnered with. So anyone can do this. So you don't have to say that, or maybe you can't say that I'm not a graphic designer, I'm not good at designing. Just use ChatGPT. I know that ChatGPT actually, the paid version of it, that's the one that you can get that feature where you can actually create the design using it. But if you don't have the money, because I know here it's all about money, some of you guys, you haven't started making money. So what you can do, you can use things like Canva. That's where I started also. You can start by using Canva to make your design and then upload them on the platform that you will be using. This, guys, will help you a lot. The fourth step, guys, that you need to take after you've chosen the niche, and then after the niche, you created your design. You chose the niche, the audience. You now know your target audience. You created your design, and you've chosen the platform that you're gonna work with. So one thing that I can advise you, for you to be able to see the results very quickly, if you can be able, guys, you can actually advertise or maybe market your products on things like social media. They can help you to drive traffic to your site, and this can help you to make money very quick. Yes, these platforms that I talked about are the platforms that maybe you might find or maybe decide to partner with. Actually, you find that they already have people visiting those sites every month. So like a Redbubble, let me make an example of the Redbubble, because that's where I have an account. So, or maybe I have a store. Actually, Redbubble has 45 million people visiting, or maybe 45 million visitors every month. So meaning that I can benefit out of that, but sometimes it takes a long time for you to get to see the results. But for you to be able to see the results, it might require you to actually drive traffic to your store. So guys, this is a very important, or maybe this is a very yes, important actually side hustle that everyone can start. You don't have to have money for you to start this. You just need to make your design. I said that if you don't have money maybe to use some of these AI tools that requires you to pay, you can use things like Canva, which is something that I used. You can do that also. So don't worry about money, but just act upon what I'm saying, and understand that success, guys, doesn't come overnight. You need to be consistent with your efforts for you to be able to see the results that you want. Don't just do it once and say that actually you're done, it doesn't work, but you didn't. But when you go back, or maybe when you look back, you find that you never put as much effort as possible. So what I'm advising you is, don't give up. Just keep on, be consistent. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and please like the video, and if you found value out of it, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comment. Thank you so much. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.